If your iPhone 17 Pro keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi, try these fixes. All right, first we're going to go to WLAN right here, WLAN, and then we're going to go ahead and turn this off, okay? So first turn Wi-Fi off for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. All right, so we're going to turn it off, then we're going to wait 10 seconds. Okay, so once we wait, then we turn it back on. Hopefully then it is connected. Next, if it's still not working, if it keeps disconnecting, we're going to want to go to the Wi-Fi that we're connected to and tap on the information button, which is this little eye right here. Go ahead and tap that in. If the problem continues, tap forget this network. So then if you scroll on the very top, forget this network, and then you can forget it, then you have to put in the password again, okay? So for the sake of the video, I will not be doing that. Last, we're going to want to check our VPN usage to see if it's connected. If you are using a VPN, make sure that it's turned off. And then lastly, if it's still having issues, we're going to just want to do a restart of your phone. Now, you could do a regular restart, but if you had this problem over and over with after noticing your phone off and on, or after you've already turned off your phone and turned it back on, that it's not a problem issue, then I would recommend a hard reset. And this is how you do it. You basically push volume up, volume down button, hold this button right here, the power button, and then it'll do a hard reset. Okay guys, so let's go up, down, then hold this button. So we're skipping this slider off because we want it to completely reset. Okay, so I'm still holding this down actually. I'm still holding it down. And then now the Apple logo will pop up, and then check your Wi-Fi again. In many cases, this will fix the random Wi-Fi disconnects. Hopefully it works. Please like, comment, subscribe if it does. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.